Andalou Naturals, Get Started Clarifying, Skincare Essentials, 5-piece kit. Product Overview Description. Set contains Citrus Kombucha Cleansing Gel. 8 fluid ounces, 24 milliliters, Kombucha Enzyme Exfoliating Peel. 5 fluid ounces, 15 milliliters, Aloe Plus Willow Bark Pore Minimizer -1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, Acai Plus White Tea Oil Free Moisturizer. 4 fluid ounces, 12 milliliters, Beta Hydroxy Complex Recovery Cream. 4 fluid ounces, 12 milliliters. Non-GMO Fruit Stem Cells Plus Willow Bark for active and oily skin, perfect for trial and travel. Age-defying fruit stem cells, non-GMO, project verified, gluten-free, no paraben preservatives, no sulfates or phthalates, vegan and cruelty-free, clinically proven. Clarifying solutions target active and oily skin types. Overly active, congested pores, uneven texture, blemish prone. Renews at the cellular level for visible clarifying results. Clinically proven results in 6 weeks. 87% showed more radiance and luminosity, 88% reported improved tone and smooth texture, 62% confirmed fewer fine line and wrinkles, 0% experienced skin irritation. Clinical tests confirmed brighter, younger looking skin, while continuing treatment of the visible signs of aging. Based on 6-week clinical evaluation of Andalou Naturals' skincare regime performed by an independent laboratory, following FDA regulation guidelines for dermatological clinical testing and post-treatment perception analysis, conducted by PhD principal investigator, April 2012. Phytocelltech Melis Domestica Fruit Stem Cells, awarded the European Cosmetic Innovative Prize for Best Active Ingredient. How does it work? Fruit stem cells renew dormant cells, awakening cells to behave younger. Repair damaged cells, increasing cell longevity and vitality. Regenerate healthy cells, stimulating healthy cell production. 1 Cleanse, Citrus Kombucha Cleansing Gel, Fruit Stem Cell Complex and Citrus Kombucha, rich in skin-friendly probiotics and aminos, replenishes beneficial microflora. Clarifying willow bark and aloe vera, gently foamed to whisk away excess oil and dull surface cells, maintaining a healthy moisture barrier for clean, clear skin. Gentle and non-drying, for a healthy complexion. To exfoliate, Kombucha Enzyme Exfoliating Peel, grapefruit kombucha, pineapple, and papaya enzymes loosen and exfoliate dull, dry surface cells, unclogging pores and stimulating circulation for improved clarity, tone, and texture. Fruit Stem Cell Complex and Vitamin C boost healthy cell renewal for a clear, refreshed complexion. 3-Tone, Aloe Plus Willow Bark Pore Minimizer, Fruit Stem Cell Complex, Willow Bark Extract, and Aloe Vera Polysaccharides remove dull skin cells, debris, and excess oil that can clog pores and increase breakouts. Purifies, refines, and gently exfoliates to reduce the appearance of enlarged pore for a tighter, smoother, cleaner complexion. 4 Hydrate Day, Acai Plus White Tea Oil Free Moisturizer, perfect for active skin types, humid conditions, and when skin needs lightweight hydration. This quenching and mattifying gel cream, with fruit stem cell complex, acai berry, and white tea, provides a potent portfolio of antioxidants to slow cellular damage and stimulate healthy cell renewal for a revitalized complexion. 5 Nourish Night, Beta Hydroxy Complex Recovery Cream, Fruit Stem Cell Complex works overnight to speed healing, as willow bark extract clarifies and minimizes pores, curbs bacteria, and balances excess oil. Salicylic acid helps fight hyperpigmentation for even tone and texture, as aloe vera oxygenates, hydrates, and calms inflammation. Skin awakes feeling hydrated, repaired, and replenished. Suggested use: Citrus Kombucha Cleansing Gel. To use, AM and PM. Apply to damp skin, gently massage, and rinse clean. Kombucha Enzyme Exfoliating Peel. To use, apply evenly to clean, dry skin. Avoid eye and lip areas. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse clean with cool water. Use 1 to 3 times per week, as needed. Aloe Plus Willow Bark Pore Minimizer. To use, AM and PM. After cleansing, saturate cotton pad and gently sweep over face and neck to balance pH, and best prepare skin for moisturizing. Acai Plus White Tea Oil Free Moisturizer. To use, daily. Apply to clean face and neck. Beta Hydroxy Complex Recovery Cream. To use, nightly. Apply to clean face and neck. Other ingredients: citrus kombucha cleansing gel. Ingredients: aloe-barbadensis juice, decyl glucoside, sodium methyl cocoa tartrate, vegetable glycerin, sodium PCA, Saccharomyces acinarum, sugar cane, and citrus metacolimium, lemon, juices, Saccharomyces xylinum, kombucha, black tea ferment, fruit stem cells, Melis domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, magnesium ascorbyl vitamin C, vitis vinifera, grapeseed, polyphenols, Lipaeosidera daura, verbena, extract, Salix alba, willow bark, extract, citric acid, tocopherol, vitamin E, Aspalathus linearis, rooibos, extract, elantoin, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate, ethylxylglycerin, Cymbopogon flexuosus, lemongrass, oil, Citrus aurantifolia, lime, oil. Kombucha enzyme exfoliating peel. Ingredients: aloe-barbadensis and citrus paradisea, pink grapefruit, juices, Saccharomyces xylinum, kombucha, black tea ferment, pectin, vegetable glycerin, Cyameopsis tetragonylobus, guar, gum, papain, bromelain, hyaluronic acid, magnesium ascorbyl vitamin C, fruit stem cells, Melis domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, lauric acid, Salix alba, willow bark, extract, hibiscus roses sinensis and Aspalathus linearis, rooibos, extracts, arginine, phenethyl alcohol, ethylxylglycerin, citrus tangerina, tangerine, and Cymbopogon martini, balm rosa, oils. Aloe plus willow bark pore minimizer. Ingredients: aloe-barbadensis juice, Hamamelis virginiana, witch hazel, panthenol, provitamin B5, tocopherol, vitamin E, lauric acid, fruit stem cells, Melis domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, Epilabium angustifolium, willow herb, extract, magnesium ascorbyl vitamin C, Salix alba, willow bark, and Spirea ulmaria, meadowsweet, extracts, salicylic acid, Aspalathus linearis, rooibos, hibiscus roses sinensis and Camellia sinensis, white tea, extracts, phenethyl alcohol, ethylxylglycerin, Cinnamomum camphora, camphor, oil, Mentha piperita, peppermint, and Thymus vulgaris, thyme, oils. Acai Plus White Tea Oil Free Moisturizer. Ingredients: aloe-barbadensis juice, vegetable glycerin, Cyameopsis tetragonylobus, guar, gum, acylpalmitate, Saccharomyces xylinum, kombucha, black tea ferment, fruit stem cells, Melis domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, Z-maize, corn, starch, Euterpia lauracea, acai, and Salix alba, willow bark, extracts, Camellia sinensis, white tea, and hibiscus roses sinensis extracts, magnesium ascorbyl vitamin C, vitis vinifera, grapeseed, polyphenols, olive squalane, lecithin, tocopherol, vitamin E, allantoin, panthenol, phenethyl alcohol, ethylxylglycerin, citrus tangerina, tangerine, and Cymbopogon martini, balm rosa, oils. Beta hydroxy complex recovery cream. Ingredients: aloe-barbadensis juice, vegetable glycerin, Hamamelis virginiana, witch hazel, glycerol stearate, cetyl alcohol, fruit stem cells, Melis domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, stearic acid, Z-maize, corn, starch, Epilabium angustifolium, willow herb, extract, salicylic acid, Salix alba, willow bark, and Spirea ulmaria, meadowsweet, extracts, zinc gluconate, panthenol, provitamin B5, allantoin, Cyameopsis tetragonylobus, guar, gum, the bruma cacao, cocoa, butter, Camellia sinensis, white tea, and Hibiscus rosa sinensis extracts comatocopherol, phenethyl alcohol, ethylxylglycerin, citrus aurantium dulcis oil. Certified organic. Fair trade. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.